In today's episode, I am finally tackling the garage. Yeah, I know you see it. So if you want to see how it comes out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe Decorating on a Budget. And today I am tackling my garage. Yeah, I'm going to split it in half because it's a lot to do. I figure I can do. Let me turn the camera around so you can see what I figure I can do to where this long box is right here, back. I figure I can do that in one day and then attempt to do this half the next day. But if I can get this kind of separated, then I can put up the two new shelves I have here. I can put one right there in the middle because these can come over, space here for that to come over, and then put the other one over there against the wall. And then I can rearrange all my dishes and things I have out here, put them up the way I want them to go, and then try to get this garage in some kind of order. Some of this stuff I know is going away, and I think the rest of it will probably end up in the back in the shed in the back until I can figure out what I'm going to do with the rest of it. But I am going to get this garage where I can put the car in. That's my ultimate goal. So I am going to keep the Christmas over there under those cabinets. I have most of the Christmas stuff over there, but it's some coolers I need to move so I can put the trees over there. And then in this opening here, I have some bins there. I need to put them in there in a better order so it'll be easier for me to reach. And I'm going to, like I have my flowers right there. I want them to be over there where easy access. But everything else, I'm going to try to get the seasonal ones in the opening. So, yeah, I have a lot out here. A lot of these boxes are, a few of them I saw are empty, and some just have maybe one or two things in it. But then there are some that are full. But this is stuff that's been here since we moved here because I wasn't able to get out here and straighten this up. But your girl is going to tackle this week. I have to try to get this straight for my sanity. So I'm going to take you one look around to look at all this foolishness. And see all these boxes. And then over here, this is my husband's stuff. So I'm going to arrange this some kind of way. I'm trying to put all his stuff on this side. And then up here on this board, I plan on hanging up all my wreaths. I want to put them in a plastic coating and hang all my wreaths up here so they won't get smushed. They'll be easy access for me. And then I forgot about this foolishness. But yeah, it's a lot. It may take me more than 2 days, but I'm going to get it right. Hopefully I can do, like I said, do this half today and work on the other half tomorrow. So I'm going to turn the camera around, turn on some music, and get...
disagree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
Now, by this time, I realized I needed a little help. So, and also it is very, very hot. So after I did a little bit more here, I decided to call it a day and contact me some help for tomorrow. So hopefully I will see you tomorrow in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.